Let no pandemic stop the education of a child, and this very pandemic situation have forced us to make this fact true because we had to introduce hybrid classes. A very good morning to all the distinguished teachers and to all the jury members. It is a privilege to be able to express my views, my opinions on the subject of hybrid classes, which is truly a milestone we have achieved. And today I, Kirti, a student of class 10th from Army Public School Delhi Camp, is going to highlight the positivity of hybrid classes. Learning can take place only with an ignited mind, and at the same time an ignited heart providing space for self-learning. Hybrid learning enables a person to learn something at his own pace and convenience. It provides asynchronous learning, which includes face-to-face classroom sessions, online exercises, along with pre-recorded video instructions. It's best in today's world and also one of the best use of the technology. It educates a child even sitting at the farthest and remote area of the country to study and to get educated. The course is also tailored accordingly. This face-to-face aspect of hybrid learning does not devoid a child the feel of a classroom. Rather, it even helps him to more concentrate on his studies, especially under a teacher's eye. Hybrid classes provides flexibility in learning, teaching, engaging student, conversation and communication. Hybrid classes provides an opportunity for real-time engagement between the peers. It also provides a separate space for group presentation, conversation, which enhances a person's speaking skills, analytical skills, problem-solving skills, thinking skills, and doing work collaboratively. Besides, it also provides the student with the freedom by which he or she can dive deep into any topic by gathering more and more information on that topic. It also teaches students time management along with the optimum use of resources. It would be wrong to say that the goals are not achieved because all its modules, all its activities, everything is synchronized chronologically. There is also a proper mapping of the course. Instant feedback marks the gray areas, which needs introspections. On one hand, this brings
Greetings to all the judges, my fellow competitors and everyone presented here. Today I, Shreyansh Gupta of class 9th of Army Public School Delhi Cant is standing before you to present a debate on the topic hybrid learning, stone to milestone. I am speaking against the motion. I firmly disagree that the hybrid learning is a milestone achieved. Its negative implications are profound. The technology is becoming more challenging. Its adverse effect on the mental and the physical health of young children is alarming. Too much screen time is leading to sleeplessness, lethargicness, eye strains are few. It is also leading to the interaction with smaller groups as compared to regular classes. Moreover, young children with unaware mind on the net may fall trapped to social media sites, thereby going off track. There is a lack in recreational activities too. Too much isolation pushes a child into depression and suicide. There is a new mental crisis reported on the rise, is of Zoom dysmorphia. All the social skills of 21st century are gone out of the window. How can a child develop all the skills required with a tired mind and body? The unseen rays coming from this particular screen is so much harmful that can't be explained with words. The child with special needs needs consistent help to manage his emotional and psychological challenges. Missing out on these can lead to negative or harmful behavior. They also need hand-over-hand learning and occupational therapy, which is not possible via screen. The intellectual and the social stimulation of on-campus classes helps the children to develop friendship and rapport with teachers. The room made of stones cannot be compensated with technology. The room made of stones make a child happy and develops all the skills required to be successful in life. But how can an isolated child develop all the skills required to be successful in life? These classes enable the teacher to reach out to each and every child help him with his weaknesses and shine with his talents, which is definitely not possible in the hybrid learning. These classes also encompass 5 nature of elements: earth, air, water, fire, and space. School oriented classes help a human being to be a balanced human being, an intellectual and a sensitive person. Thank you.